Act as you are the best, written and published by Book Boost. There is something powerful about the way we think and act. The world treats us based on how we present ourselves. Those who walk with confidence, speak with belief, and act like the best are the ones who rise above. But what makes them different? Is it talent, luck, or is there something deeper? In this journey, we will uncover a secret that can change everything. How acting as the best can shape your life. It's not about pretending. It's about stepping into a version of yourself that attracts success. But how does this work? How can a simple shift in attitude and actions create such a big impact? Stay with us till the last part, because once you understand this, you will never see yourself the same way again. Welcome to Book Boost, where we bring powerful lessons from life-changing books. If you find value in this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. The power of self-belief. The way a person sees themselves shapes everything. If they believe they are strong, capable, and worthy, they start acting that way. And when they act that way, the world responds accordingly. But if they doubt themselves, hesitate, and think they are not good enough, their actions will reflect that too. Great people are not born different. They simply choose to see themselves as winners. They walk with confidence, speak with clarity, and take action without fear. They don't wait for permission to feel worthy. They decide they already are. There was a time when he doubted himself. He thought success belonged to others, not him. But then he made one small change. He started acting as if he was already successful. He stood tall, spoke with confidence, and made decisions like someone who deserved greatness. At first, it felt strange. But something magical happened. People started treating him differently. They listened to him, respected him, and gave him opportunities he never thought possible. The world reflects what it sees in a person. When someone believes in themselves, others believe in them too. When they act like the best, doors open, and life responds in unexpected ways. The truth is, confidence is not a gift, it's a decision. Those who wait for the right moment to feel worthy will wait forever. But those who choose to believe in themselves create their own moments. She had always been afraid to speak up. In meetings, she stayed silent. In conversations, she held back. But one day, she decided to change. She told herself, "I am capable, I am strong, I have value." And then she acted like it. That day, everything shifted. She spoke, and people listened. She shared her ideas, and they were valued. It wasn't magic, it was self-belief in action. The world doesn't decide who is the best. People decide it for themselves. They step forward, take space, and own their greatness. The ones who rise are not always the most talented. They are the ones who believe they belong at the top. Many waste years waiting to feel ready. But the secret is, no one ever feels fully ready. The best don't wait. They act, they move, they take chances. And because they act, they grow. A person who walks with purpose stands out. When they act like the best, others notice. Their energy is different, their presence is strong, and their confidence is felt. It doesn't mean pretending or being someone else. It means stepping into the strongest, most capable version of oneself. It means deciding, "I am worthy," and then living like it. Doubt and fear will always try to hold people back. But those who act with confidence, even when they feel uncertain, break through barriers. They prove to themselves that they are more powerful than their fears. Success is not about waiting, it's about becoming. And the fastest way to become is to act. When someone acts as if they are the best, they start doing what the best do. And when they do that, success follows. Every great leader, artist, and innovator once felt like a beginner. But they didn't let that stop them. They acted like they were already great, and in time, they became great. People see what a person shows them. If someone carries themselves with confidence, the world believes they have something valuable to offer. If they hesitate and doubt, the world hesitates too. He had no special skills, no big advantages. But he acted like he belonged, and soon, he did. He walked into every room with certainty, and people trusted him. His belief shaped his reality. The biggest mistake is waiting for permission to be great. No one gives permission. The moment someone starts acting like they are the best, they become it. The journey is simple. Believe, act, and the results will follow. When a person takes that first step, everything starts changing. Now the question is, will one wait for the right moment, or will they decide that the moment is now? Actions define identity. The way a person acts shapes their reality. When someone carries themselves with confidence, speaks with clarity, and moves with purpose, the world begins to see them differently. Success doesn't always come first. Sometimes, acting like the best is what attracts success. There is a hidden power in actions. A person who acts lazy starts to feel lazy. A person who walks with energy starts to feel energetic. This is why winners don't wait for success to change them. They change their actions first, and success follows. Every great leader, every champion, and every achiever started by acting like the person they wanted to become. They didn't wait to feel ready. They didn't wait for others to tell them they were great. They acted, and through action, they became. One of the biggest lessons is that self-doubt fades when a person acts with confidence. A person who stands tall and speaks with belief slowly starts to believe in themselves. Even if they were unsure at first, their own actions begin to shape their mind. The world mirrors what it sees. If someone carries themselves with hesitation, the world hesitates to trust them. If they act with boldness, the world responds with respect. People are treated based on the energy they give out. This is why acting as the best is not about pretending. It's about practicing greatness. It's about choosing habits, behaviors, and attitudes that align with success. A person who dreams of being successful must start acting like it today, not someday in the future. Small daily actions matter more than big dreams. A person who wakes up early, stays disciplined, and pushes forward, even on difficult days, slowly builds the identity of a winner. It's not about talent. It's about behavior. There is a lesson in how professionals carry themselves. Whether it's an athlete, a speaker, or an entrepreneur, they walk, talk, and behave with focus. They don't let distractions control them. They don't let emotions break their discipline. They act like they belong at the top. Someone who speaks with confidence, even when unsure, becomes more confident over time. Someone who takes bold steps, even when scared, becomes fearless over time. The more a person acts like the best, the more they start becoming it. Many people wait for motivation before taking action, but the truth is, action comes first and motivation follows. A person who starts working, even without motivation, will soon feel motivated by their own progress. Every action sends a message to the mind. If someone acts like a leader, their mind begins to accept that identity. If someone acts like a winner, their confidence grows naturally. This is why the way a person behaves today shapes the person they become tomorrow. The secret to success is hidden in daily choices. A person who chooses to be disciplined, hardworking, and focused, even when no one is watching, slowly builds an unstoppable mindset. The effort of today creates the strength of tomorrow. Challenges will always come, but those who act like the best don't stop. They face problems with a strong attitude. They don't complain, they find solutions. They don't fear failure, they learn and move forward. There is a difference between those who succeed and those who don't. It's not intelligence. It's not luck. It's the way they respond to life. Successful people act like winners, no matter the situation. That is what makes them different. Every person has a choice, to act small or to act great. The decision is in their hands. Those who choose to act like the best, even when no one believes in them, are the ones who change their lives. It's never about waiting for the right time. The right time is now. Acting like the best, thinking like the best, and moving like the best turns an ordinary person into an extraordinary one. The way a person sees themselves is the way the world sees them. Someone who believes in their own value will make others believe in them too. Confidence and success start from within. The journey to greatness begins with one simple step: acting like the person one dreams of becoming. When actions align with ambition, transformation begins. This is not just an idea. It's a reality proven by every successful person. They didn't wait. They acted. And through action, they became the best version of themselves. The question is, will one wait for success to come, or will they start acting like the best today? Because the truth is, greatness is not given. It is created through action. Own your greatness. Final thoughts. The journey of acting as the best is not about pretending to be someone else. It is about discovering the best version of oneself. Throughout this path, one realizes that confidence is not something given by others. It is built from within. A person who believes in their own worth naturally walks with a different energy. Their words carry more weight, and their actions create a lasting impact. When someone starts thinking and acting as the best, they begin attracting opportunities that once seemed impossible. Success does not come to those who wait for the perfect moment. It comes to those who act, even when they don't feel ready. The greatest achievers in the world were not always the smartest or the most talented. They simply behaved as if success was already theirs, and the world responded accordingly. Doubts and fears are natural, but one who truly understands this lesson does not let them take control. Instead, they acknowledge their fears, but still choose to move forward with confidence. Over time, this mindset becomes a habit, and habits shape reality. People around may not always believe in this transformation. Some may laugh, some may doubt. But those who stay consistent, those who continue acting as the best, eventually prove themselves through results. The key is not to seek validation from others. The moment a person starts looking for approval, they lose their power. True greatness comes when one decides that their belief is enough, their vision is clear, and their actions are unstoppable. Failure is part of the journey, but it is never the end. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is simple. Successful people keep acting as the best, even after failure. They see setbacks as lessons, not as reasons to stop. With time, a person who consistently acts like the best starts feeling like the best. And once they feel it, they naturally become it. The world begins to recognize their energy, their mindset, and their unstoppable spirit. This transformation does not happen overnight. It is a process that requires patience, but the results are undeniable. A person who once felt ordinary can become extraordinary simply by shifting their mindset and actions. Every small step matters. Even on difficult days, choosing to carry oneself with confidence, making bold decisions, and speaking with clarity pushes one closer to greatness. The mind learns through repetition, and consistent action reprograms it for success. There will always be moments of doubt. But each time doubt appears, one must remind themselves that acting as the best is not about perfection, it is about commitment. Those who commit to this path eventually see their lives change in ways they never imagined. The secret to success is not waiting for confidence to arrive. It is acting as the best version of oneself before feeling ready. The feelings will follow the actions, not the other way around. A person who starts today, who decides to carry themselves differently, will already be ahead of those still waiting for the right time. The right time is now. The only thing needed is a decision to start acting as if success is already here. The world does not give opportunities to those who hesitate. It rewards those who believe in themselves and take bold actions. Those who act as the best eventually become the best, not because of luck, but because of consistency. At the end of the day, the choice is simple. Either one waits for success to find them, or they step up and claim it. And claiming it starts with a decision to think, walk, and act like the best. Now, the question is, will the lesson remain just words, or will it be applied in real life? The answer lies in action. Because the moment one starts living this principle, everything begins to change. This is the power of acting as the best. This is the lesson that turns dreams into reality. And those who understand it, those who apply it, will never look back. Greatness is not given. It is claimed. And those who act as the best today will be the ones standing at the top tomorrow. This is Book Boost, bringing powerful lessons to transform lives. If this message inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The journey to greatness starts now.